Welcome back, guys. In this class we are going to learn that how we can use the finally keyword with try and except block. So Python provides a keyword called finally and which is always executed after the try and except block, and it will be executed regardless if the try block raises an error or not. So it's not mandatory if an error or the exception will be raised and then the final block will be executed. It will be executed whatever the condition it is. So now let's do an example to have a better understanding of this concept. Okay, so right now I am typing here try and I am doing the same example as I did in the previous classes, which is print x. And now I want to throw an exception, which is except and print x is not defined, right? And now I want to use here finally keyword, finally, and I want to print try, okay, exception is over, right? So now let's run this program and see the output. So x is not defined and exception is over. So it has actually raises this exception and then it has printed this exception is over. So this is how we can use the finally keyword. No matter the exception is raised or not, but the final block will be executed. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you will try it by yourself. So see you in the next lecture.